Hello mga studs! Pagpatuloy natin ang ating lecture dito sa ating partnership accounting. Nandito pa rin tayo sa profit or loss distribution, pero ang emphasis ng lecture na ito is doon sa salary allowances. So, distribution ng profit or loss with an application of salary allowance. Okay? Alam niyo kasi salaries may be applied to compensate for services provided by the partner. Remember, kung ikaw ay nagmamanage ng business, kung ikaw ay isa sa mga partner na in charge or involved sa operations, o nararapat lang na i-compensate din ang service na pinoprovide mo para din ma-appreciate yung skills, yung talent mo, yung labor mo. So, on the same manner na meron tayong interest allocation, meron din tayong salaries allocation. So, dako na tayo dito sa aking tatlong examples or tatlong cases na ibibigay sa inyo. Pero bago ang lahat, reminder lang similar with interest allowance, let me read it to you. The partner salaries are not expenses of the partnership na ini-include sa computation ng net profit or loss. It is just a means of achieving fair division of income among the partners. Kagaya nga ng nakalagay dito, based on time and talents devoted to the partnership business. So, makita ninyo ito sa mga susunod. Pero basically, kung paano natin ginagawa yung interest allocation, halos ganun din lang naman. Dito nga lang, salaries ang pinag-uusapan natin. So, case number 13 tayo. Ang example na ito, salary allowance to partners with remaining net profit divided equally among the partners. So, ito ang ating illustration. We have partners Vico and Yorme. Parehas being involved in running the partnership's business. They agreed to provide for a monthly salary allowance of 12,000 to partner Vico and 10,000 naman to partner Yorme. Now, the salaries will be provided regardless of the results of operations. Remaining profit or loss shall be distributed equally among the partners. Now, this one, during the year, the partnership generated a net sales of 1,500,000. Ang iyong cost of goods sold, 30% daw ng net sales, samantalang ang operating expenses amounted to 440,000 pesos. Ignoring income tax effect, compute for the distribution of profit or loss among the partners. Ganito natin yan gagawin. Ang profit or loss computation mo, kunin natin kasi hindi siya given outright. Meron kang net sales, cost of goods sold, operating expenses. So, kunin natin magkano ang net profit na subject to distribution. You have net sales na 1,500,000. 30% daw ng net sales ay cost of goods sold. So, kunin natin yon. 30% times 1,500,000, we will get 450,000. We get the difference. 1,500,000 minus 450,000. Ito yung ating gross profit. 1,050,000 pesos. And then, given yung operating expenses, 440,000. Ibawas lang natin ito. Ang net profit subject to distribution ay 610,000 pesos. But again, ang sabi sa problem, ignore lang natin yung effect ng income tax. So, assuming eto na mismo, subject to distribution, hindi na natin i-apply yung income taxation. So, eto na mismo ang i-distribute natin sa mga partners. So, paano natin ito i-distribute sa mga partners? Madali lang naman yan. Kung ang net profit mo 610, i-allocate muna natin or kunin muna natin yung salaries ng dalawang partners. Ang sabi sa problem, 12,000 kada buwan kay partner Vico, 10,000 naman kay partner Yorme. So, 12K times 12 months equals 144,000. 10K times 12 months equals 120,000. So, para kay partner Vico and partner Yorme, respectively. So, ang total salary allocation to partners ay pagsamahin lang natin itong dalawa. We will get 264,000 pesos. Ibawas natin ito doon sa 610,000 ang matitira dyan ay 346,000 pesos. Ito na ngayon yung balanse na for distribution equally among the partners. So kung meron kang 346,000 na balanse, divide lang natin ito into 2, we will get 173,000. May makukuha si partner Vico na 173, meron ding makukuha si partner Yorme, 173,000. Para makompute natin magkano talaga, kay partner Vico, 144,000 plus the 173,000, ang matatanggap niya out of the 610,000 ay 317,000 pesos. Kay Yorme naman, 293,000 coming from the 120K na salaries plus 173,000. Yung share doon sa remaining balance. So, pag pinag-add mo yan, dapat 610,000 yan. At ang ating journal entry dyan, syempre, i-debit natin yung income summary for 610,000 and then credit Vico Capital for 317 and Yorme Capital for 293,000 pesos. So, madali lang siya, no? Simple lang yung allocation. Pero careful ka kasi baka magkamali ka doon sa sign. Ma-plus siya or mapag-minus mo pero it's the other way around. Proceed tayo sa case number 14. Dito sa case number 14, yung salary allowance sa mga partners, mas malaki siya compared doon sa net profit na na-generate ng partnership. Tapos, ang remaining balance dito to be distributed arbitrarily. So, ang partners natin dito ay si partner Cha and si partner Rot. They are partners in Charot Company, a trading business selling guns and roses. During the year, the partnership generated a slim profit of 35,000 due to pandemic. Dahil ang binibenta nila ay mga baril at mga bulaklak. So, medyo matumal ang kanilang negosyo dahil sa pandemic. So, 35,000 ang kanilang na-generate na profit. Pero at least, meron pa rin silang profit na marireceive. Now, the partners agreed for an allocation of salaries in the amount of 30,000 kay partner Cha and 20,000 kay partner Rot. The remaining balance will be distributed in a 7-3 ratio. Ang 7 para kay partner Cha, yung 3 para kay partner Rot. Or sa madaling salita, itong 7-3, 70-30. So 70%, 30%. Compute natin yung distribution ng net profit among the partners. Okay, so ganito natin ito gagawin. Meron kang 35,000 pesos, i-allocate natin. Meron dapat na matatanggap na 30,000 si partner Cha. 20,000 naman kay partner Rot. Pag pinagsama natin tong dalawa, that is 50,000 pesos. Pero 35,000 lang naman yung i-distribute. So, kumbaga, 35,000 minus 50,000, meron tayong negative na 15,000. Sobra kasi yung salaries na kailangang i-allocate. Anyway, ito naman kasi is more of a scheme for computation of the net profit or loss. So, kunin pa rin natin yung difference. 35 minus 50, yung 15,000 na naka-negative, i-allocate natin ito kay partner Cha and kay partner Rot on the 70-30 ratio. Kaya dito makikita ninyo, kay partner Cha, 15,000 times 7/10, makukuha natin ay 10,500. Kay partner Rot naman, 15,000 times 3/10, we will get 4,500. Kaya after that, pag pinagsama na natin yung salary allocation at saka yung balanse, makikita mo kung 35,000 yung i-distribute. Kay partner Cha, meron siyang 30,000 coming from the salary minus 10,500 yung distribution ng negative 15,000. 19,500 ang matatanggap niya out of the 35,000. Kay partner Rot naman, 20,000 coming from the salary minus 4,500. He will get 15,500. Pag pinag-add natin itong 19,500 at 15,500, that is the same 35,000 pesos. And then, you have your journal entry. Credit ka kay Cha Capital at kay Roth Capital for the respective amounts and debit sa income summary for 35,000 pesos. Pero papaano kung halimbawa dito sa problem na ito, instead na net profit of 35,000, ang na-incur ng partnership ay 35,000 net loss. So will the 35,000 net loss be still distributed among the partners? Well, the answer is yes. Kailangan pa rin natin itong i-distribute at kailangan pa rin natin mag-allocate ng salaries despite the negative 35,000 representing net loss. So kapag in-apply natin ito, same case 14 pero 35,000 net loss instead of net profit. Ganito natin siya makukompute. So 30 pa rin, 20 pa rin kay Cha and Roth. Ngayon, kung meron kang net loss na 35, meron kang dinistribute na 50. So it's as if 35 and 50, we have an 85,000 negative subject for distribution. O dito, makikita mo, kay partner siya, 85,000 times 7 over 10, you will get 59,500. Kay partner Roth naman, 85,000 times 3 over 10, meron siyang 25,500. Kaya, pag kinumpute natin magkano talaga ang madidistribute kay partner siya and kay partner Roth, pansinin ninyo dito 30,000 na salary allocation minus 59,500. Careful tayo sa symbols. Plus or minus, dito minus yan kasi negative. Kaya ibabawas natin. O ganun din kay partner Roth, 20,000 minus 25,500. O ang i-distribute na net loss kay partner siya, 29,500. Kay partner Roth naman, 5,500. At kabaliktaran naman ngayon ang ating journal entry dito. Debit sa dalawang partners capital for the amounts and credit sa income summary na 35,000 because this is a net loss. Okay? So, hanggang dyan muna tayo sa lecture number 7. Sa susunod na episode, pag-usapan naman natin yung bonuses to the partners. So, until then, bye-bye.